Well, hello boys and girls. I have a friend with me. Can you guess who this is? This is my friend Spider. This spider's not too scary. I'm not crazy about spiders, but my one spider is a pretty good spider and he's my friend. Spider starts with the letter S. And there's a song that I'd like to sing. It is called Itsy Bitsy Spider. Can you sing it with me? Oh, the itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. This is a spout. All our houses and places that we live in have rain gutters and downspouts. And they make a great place for a spider to make a spider web. And spiders spin webs from their bodies, and this way they can catch their dinner. Your mommies and daddies go to the store to buy food. Spiders, can you go to the store and buy food? Nope, can't do that. So they need to spin a sticky web. So when a fly comes by, it gets stuck. And then the spider goes, that's a delicious bug. I think I will hide and wait for another bug. So this is the drain pipe. But when it rains, as the spider wants to go, oops, my spider's running away, goes up the drain pipe. When it rains, it washes him out. And then out comes the sun and dried up all the rain, so the itsy bitsy spider can go up the spout again. Let's talk about spiders. I'm going to put my friend down here right now so that I could show you a book about spiders. First off, spiders are not insects. It's a very big word. It's called arachnid. They have two parts to their body. They have a head and an abdomen. We have a head, we have an abdomen, and we also have legs. Spiders have legs. They have 8 legs. How many legs do we have? 1, 2. They have 4 legs on one side and 4 legs on the other side. Let me show you on this little fella here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. How many eyes do you have? I have 2. A spider has 8 eyes, so they can really look around and spot their lunch in their spider web. Here's a spider web that this spider made. A spider makes the web. Remember, it's sticky and he hides in the spider web waiting for a fly to come by. And that's how he gets his dinner. There's all different kinds of spiders. This one looks like he's pretty hairy, like my friend. This one's kind of a skinny spider. Some spiders could be real tiny, like on this 10 cents, this dime. And some spiders in South America, and no, they're not in your houses, could be as big as your mommy and daddy's hand. They live all over. They can live in this downspout. They can live in branches in a tree. They can live on your windowsill. They can live anywhere that they can spin a web. Here's a spider that has a couple of different kinds of colors on them, almost like a zigzag. Spiders like to eat insects. That's good because Mrs. Decker doesn't like mosquitoes. And if a mosquito comes by and a spider wants to eat them, that's okay. There's all different kinds of spiders, just like there's all different kinds of people, all different kinds of boys and girls. There's all different kinds of spiders. Ooh, this one has fangs. I don't know if I want to meet him. Here's a tarantula. He's a very big spider, almost like the size of my little friend here. And he's got lots of long hairs. Those long hairs can be a little poisonous for bugs, not for people. Should we ever play with spiders? I don't think we should. We should leave spiders alone. Because that's where they live. They don't want to bother us, and we shouldn't bother them. So, we know that they're all different kinds of spiders. Some spiders are okay. Some can have poison in them, and we don't, like I said, we're not sure, so we don't want to play with them. I have a song for you. It is called, I have it right here, Spider on the Floor. I want you to pretend with me. Let me see if I can get this up here without it falling. Pretend your hand is a spider. I'll pretend that this is a real spider. And I'm going to put it on the floor. And then I'm going to sing, there's a spider on the floor, on the floor. There's a spider on the floor, on the floor. Who can ask for anything more? There's a spider on the floor. There's a spider on the floor, on the floor. Uh-oh. There's a spider on my leg, on my leg. There's a spider on my leg, on my leg. Oh, he's really big. That spider on my leg. There's a spider on my leg, on my leg. Ooh, here he goes. Can you move your spider all the way up to your stomach? There's a spider on my stomach, on my stomach. Oh, there's a spider on my stomach, on my stomach. Oh, he's just a big ol' lummock. That spider on my stomach. There's a spider on my stomach, on my stomach. Do you know what this is? My neck. There's a spider on my neck, on my neck. There's a spider on my neck, on my neck. Oh, I think I'm going to be a wreck. That spider on my neck. There's a spider on my neck, on my neck. Oh, what do you think comes next? There's a spider on my face, on my face. There's a spider on my face, on my face. Ooh. Oh, it's a big disgrace. That spider on my face. There's a spider on my face, on my face. Now where do you think he is? There's a spider on my head, on my head. There's a spider on my head, on my head. Oh, I wish he was dead. That spider on my head. There's a spider on my head, on my head. I think I'll go like this. Woo! Down the floor he goes. Now, there's a spider on the floor, on the floor. There's a spider on the floor, on the floor. But he jumps off now, and I'm happy as can be, 'cause there's a spider on the floor and not on me. So don't forget, boys and girls, spiders spin webs to get their dinner. Spiders have 8 legs, 4 on one side, 4 on the other side, and they have 8 eyes. They can be tiny as a little time, or they can be as big as your mommy and daddy's hand. So, don't forget to have some fun with your spider packet. And don't forget to sing a song about the itsy bitsy spider. Did you like the itsy bitsy spider? Yes. Can we say goodbye to the boys and girls? Okay, goodbye and have a good day. Thank you.